Well, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Let me show you how to sweeten up the gamer's kitchen today by making a chocolate caramel cake. You probably never heard of that before, because I created this recipe. Preheat the oven to 375. So first, add 2.5 cups of flour into a bowl, and also half a cup of cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then you want to whisk that up, mix it in slowly, let it get combined. Now add 3/4 of a cup of canola oil, then add a cup of sugar, crack 2 eggs into the bowl, and add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract in there. Give that a whisk. So then add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, bit by bit. It's starting to look delicious. I've added 2/3 of the dry ingredients in. Add half a cup of milk. Mix that in there. Then add the last of the dry ingredients in there. Then add another half cup when you finish adding all the dry ingredients in. Mix that in. So then butter 2 9-inch cake pans. Yeah, get it nice and greasy. And get some flour in there. Sort of get it tossed around. And so dust it. Tap off the excess. And then spread the cake batter out in the pans. So I'm putting the cakes in now. You should bake them for 25 to 30 minutes. Alright, so when you take them out of the oven, poke them with a toothpick. Make sure it comes out clean, that way you know it's ready. Alright, to make the frosting you need 3 cups of powdered sugar. Then you need another teaspoon of vanilla. You need 1 stick of butter, 8 tablespoons, just to clarify, because there are longer sticks of butter, and 8 ounces of cream cheese, and 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder. Then you mix. Also add 1/4 cup of milk. I like my frosting creamy, but also not too thick. Now that the cakes have cooled off a bit, let's put the frosting on. So this is the first cake. Spread that over that. Yeah, delicious. Then put the other cake on top. So this is the second layer. And also spread frosting along with that. So then get some frosting, and then you want to coat the outsides. So cover it up completely. So this part is optional. If you want, you can make spots around the cake. Now for the final step, get some caramel sauce and slowly drizzle it across the cake. Try to make thin lines. Now let's feather it. So go across with a skewer like that. Nice, it looks so cool. So tonight we have a new critic from our gamer food club. This is Jason. Right? Are you ready to try the cake?
I am, yes.
I also made it.
I have been looking forward to this cake all Thanksgiving evening.
Yeah. He also made a pound cake.
It's really good. I like it. I like the dense cake. I like the frosting and the glaze. It's not too sweet. It's just right. Well done.
Yeah. So yeah, that was this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please try out this recipe and happy Thanksgiving, everyone.